Here we are at the Fontana factory with our ovens set up. This is where all the magic happens. I'm standing between two different size models. We have our Margherita, or in this case, the Napoli Pizza Oven. And next to that, we have our largest commercial unit, which is the Prometeo. This is a commercial unit that is all wood fired. You can see the absolute massive difference from external dimensions to internal capacity. This is the full gamut, taking out of the running the Maestro series. But these two are awesome units regardless of the size.
Join us as we take our 2023 trip to San Loreno Incampo in the middle of the Marche region to visit the Fontanas at the factory. Beautiful hillsides, great food, great views. Did we mention the food? It's amazing. From restaurants in old monasteries to the factory where they produce some of the finest ovens you will get your hands on. All artfully handcrafted by fine Italian artisans so that the ovens can withstand the test of time. Utilizing modern technological forms of manufacturing, like the laser cutting machines, but still handcrafting by assembling all by artisan handiwork. From our smallest to our largest unit, everything is made with love by the Fontanas. Great family,